Hello.
Good afternoon and happy hiking Thursday.
And we are at the Long Beach Peninsula here in Washington State.
We are at Leadbetter Point State Park, and we are at the United States' longest continuous beach at approximately 28 miles.
Yep.
So today we are hiking up to the tippy top of the peninsula.
Willapa Bay Wildlife Refuge.
And we have to contend with the tide because you know us, we don't plan.
Tide's in.
The best, so let's get
That's
going.
gonna be fun.
Yeah.
I'm not sure where today is gonna go, but
we're gonna have fun.
It's
do
gonna be
it.
beautiful. Let's just do that, and we get a beer after it. So and fish and chips.
And fish and chips.
So,
all right, let's do this.
Let's go.
Long Beach was established in 1880 and then I think founded in 1922. And it is one of the US's best places for all different kinds of seafood. You've got halibut, cod, razor clams,
oysters.
So we're right in the Willapa Valley.
There's also cranberry here
Yeah,
too.
cranberry bogs. There's an Ocean Spray little factory down the road where we're at. And you can just find all sorts of stuff here. So if you're in the if you're in Washington State, definitely make this your bucket list item to come to. Plus, right across the bridge is Astoria, Oregon, and you've got Seaside. So great. 3 little great coastal towns, all really close together.
Yep, amazing. So since the tide's in, this river, creek, we gotta go all the way west, see where it goes so we can cross it. This might be fun. All right. That's it for today's adventure.
At least on this side.
We are going to abandon the Willapa Bay side because the tide is in and high and we cannot get across this little creek river. So we're gonna go down, cut over west to the beach. And now we are on our way to Wicked Witch of the West Castle. Spooky.
Where's the flying monkeys?
Oh, don't say that. Shh, quiet.
Well, this really took a turn. I really didn't think we'd be walking through one of the spookiest forests we've ever been through, but it's so cool. No more spooky forests. Well, we made it to the ocean.
Yep, there it is.
It's over there.
We're gonna
Walk up the beach.
yeah, see how far we get. I'll let you know. I don't know what's going on today.
We're just kind of exploring.
Hit a dead end, and then we went through a
Spooky forest.
creepy, spooky forest, and now
Now we're at the ocean.
we're at a beautiful beach. I don't know. Sorry,
It's
folks.
Crazy.
Today's just a little.
Finding all sorts of beach treasures. A whole intact sand dollar. That like never happens. Shells.
And then we got me. Ha! Ha ha! All right, we have turned around and heading back south. We're at 3.4 miles already for the day. This is freaking beautiful.
I have found so many intact silver dollars.
It's like
sand
a
dollars.
untouched beach
So
up here.
cool.
Yeah, no roads, no nothing. You just gotta walk. All right, now we say goodbye
Goodbye
to the
beach.
west coast. Goodbye, West Coast.
For now.
We head inland, back through the forest. Into the spooky forest we go.
And cue spooky music.
We're up, we're up.
Man, how is it we found an even spookier forest?
We went up there, went back down, all the way up here, went all the way up there, back, all the way down, and right. Almost to the 0.5 to go.
That is it for this hike at Leadbetter Point.
Yep.
The U.S.'s longest beach in Long Beach, Washington.
Yep.
It
Great.
was so beautiful.
Great. Yeah.
But
Don't look at the map because it's all weird and
we're all over the place.
it didn't happen like we wanted to, but
We made the best of it and it was
Yeah.
so fun.
beautiful. The
We
trees,
did about-
ocean, the bay, and wildlife. Just amazing.
Yeah, we did about 6 miles and really there wasn't a whole lot of elevation. I'd say less than 100 feet. So it was super easy. Just really a nice walk. So
Yeah, great for the whole family.
yeah. So
I'm ready for some fish and chips.
yes, let's go get some fish and chips. And thanks for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures. And we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Hello.
And happy hiking. Oh my gosh.
Look at this mushroom.
It's a Mario.
We just saw Aquaman. There he is. Right there. Aquaman! What's up? Hi. That was a big snake.
That was. And that is it from our time at Leadbetter Point. Blah, 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 blah.